Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? Customer States. We have an extended crank. And when the car gets started and we actually start going, the car bucks and there's no throttle. Please check and advise. Well, say no more. We have the fuel gauge all set up. Now let's recreate this extended crank. Well, it should recreate because I just purged all the freaking pressure out the fuel rail. So yeah, we're gonna have an extended crank right now, but you know, it kind of stumbled. Come on. There we go. It had to build a little pressure in the rail, but we should have about 46 psi, and currently that's what we're running at. We're running at roughly 18, 19 psi, and when we hit the throttle, it actually dips down a little bit. So today we are replacing a Fragile fuel pump. Let's get into it. I just wanted to show you guys, they do have some anti-FIFO devices, but they only work when two holes or FIFO doesn't start chewing on them. Alright guys, let's take it up top. Well, here we are at the driver's rear. We took out a portion of the inner fender so we can gain access to the fuel filler neck. We have to remove this guy off the filler neck. We're going to have to remove that breather off the filler neck, and we're going to have to remove the actual filler neck off the gas tank. And this is one I'm actually not familiar with. I'm used to like a regular hose clamp there, but this is a newer design that I'm used to. It's like a clip, like an evap line holding in the fuel filler neck. So what I'm probably going to have to do is when I go lower the gas tank, I'm going to have to lower it just a little bit to gain better access to the clip over here, because I can't really get my hands on it or anything. So yeah, let's take it a little further up top and see what we got to deal with under there. Well, alright guys, we got the breather hose off. We had this one off as well with the yellow connector or yellow tab, and we also got that clip out of the filler neck, so now we should be able to remove the filler neck with well, some effort, but not as much as if that clip was installed. So now we're gonna take it further up top and see what we have to deal with up there. Very good. Alright, now that we're under the vehicle and we took it all the way up top, disconnected our return and feed line. We are supporting the gas tank because the customer has 3/4 of a freaking tank in there. We pulled the cotter pins from here and here, so we're going to remove those pins. And we have 14mm bolts over here, or the head of the bolt's 14 right there, and right there. Then we should be able to lower the tank, gain access to the neck, and get it off. Giggity. Well, alright, we got the gas tank out, and we could see we got some FIFO action on top. We got our special tool right here. We're going to remove these here fuel lines, put the ring on, and crack the ring free, and get the old fuel pump out and put the new one in. Very good. Well, alright, we got the fuel pump out. What we're going to do is we're going to replace this O-ring. And as you can see, we did clean up around the fuel pump. Float in first. Twist. Make sure. Very good. Then we got our new lock ring as well. Take it out the bag. Push your fuel pump down, make sure it's in the right position, and start the ring. Come on, start. And while you start the ring, you're pushing down on the fuel pump because the fuel pump is spring operated. Alright, and you can see here, there's a titty there, a titty there, and a titty there. and these lock tabs. Now we're going to put the special tool in there and give it its final tighten. Somebody's doing a tire on the background. That's what that noise is, guys. Sorry. And we'll very good. Come on, come on, come on. Very good. Our lines and clips are installed. Take the little covers off. Very good. We'll vacuum up this and then we're ready to go back up. Well, alright, everything is back in its original position. Mounted. Lines are all back on and installed. Now let's see if we got some positive fuel pressure. Well, we had positive fuel pressure before, but let's see if we actually have the correct amount. Alright, let's try. Would you look at that? Alright, we're supposed to have about 54 psi. You remember what it was before. We're all the way down here. Very good. The Gugats has been fixed. Now let's put the rest back together and go on our maiden voyage road test to make sure everything is good. If you guys don't know what to do, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content. I just wanted to show you guys, I did in fact just turn the vehicle off. We're not running right now and we're holding pressure. Before, it wouldn't even do that.